Are you ready? Okay. Hey guys, Michael Timms here. I have in front of me a JMB Jets 2.2 meter Viper. I ordered this back June 30th. It was shipped around July 12th and I just picked it up today. So I have not seen an unboxing video for this jet, so I figured I'd start one. So this is how it comes when you get it off the truck. And I have to say, it's a pretty impressive case. I mean, it's hardwood. Tucker, you gonna help? All righty. All right, here we go. All right, I ordered the wing bags. Actually, it's wing bags and fuse bags came in there, but it's all wrapped in plastic, which is good. Everything looks like it's in good shape. So let's start with the wing bags. There was an extra $250 or $300 for the wing bags. Since I ordered it with it, they were able, as you can see, just put it in the crate. Fuse bag. Wow, it's quilted. Nice. Fuse. I guess these are the wings. Right here, XSRC, I love that. This must be the rudder, yep, and the two elevators. Looks like it has a buckle on that attaches. Interesting. Cool. All right. Couple straps. Cool. All right. Start with the wings. Oh, this is wow. They got it wrapped in plastic. This is nice. Up pretty good. Okay. Cool. Well, that's one left wing, and it has the light, built-in lights. Nice. All right, that's one of the wings. We have the rudder. Amazing, it's a great finish. Servos and linkages are already installed. Very nice. Cool. Kind of a snug fit, but it works. It's nice. I am so glad I got these. It'll make a huge difference. All right, well, this is the other wing. I'm sure it's just the same. So, get the fuse next. Alrighty. Fuse comes in two sections. And they wrap this very well. I'm very impressed with the packaging. I did standard sea shipping from China, and I got a notice from the freight forwarder about 12 days ago that it arrived in Savannah, Georgia. I'm in Monroe, Georgia, not far from Athens, and from about 12 days before it came. I could have had it delivered to my house. I live on 10 acres with a long driveway, and it was the terminal was about 20 minutes from my house, so I figured it would be just as easy to go pick it up and have them try to negotiate an 18-wheeler down here. All right, the fuse looks great. I mean, the finish is just amazing. I'm really anal about stuff like that, so I don't know how that comes out. Very tight fit. All right, looks like we have parts in here. Like hardware package. It's got let's look and see what we have here. Servo extensions, light controller, landing gear controller, and some screws. And we have, oh, now this is cool. Carbon fiber wing tube, and I assume that's for the horizontal stabs. Let's see what this is. You know, this might be a cockpit, which I was not expecting, but I am not going to. Yeah, I'm going to leave that for later. I'll take a video of that later. It looks like it might be the cockpit. But you can see I've got the tank. Looks good. And then this is the front part of the fuse. I am thrilled about the carbon fiber. A lot of the jets I've seen have aluminum. I guess now it's pretty common to use the carbon fiber. That's light. And if this is the cockpit, like a scale cockpit, I'm going to be very pleased. So I was considering having to just paint the canopy, but like a silver color, but it's got scale cockpit. I will definitely use it. fuse. Just like that. All right. Here's the canopy. And last but not least, we have the horizontal stabs. Elevator, horizontal stab. Again, servos and linkages are all installed. Very nice. There's the last piece. The other elevator. All right. Well, that does not a lot of hardware, but I guess that's because everything's already installed, and I will try to carefully get this out in it. And like I said, I think that's Wait a minute. Could it be? Could it be? All right, well, good. Let's see if this is what I think it is. I'm not sure what this is, actually. If it's... Yeah. Uh-huh. Scale canopy. That's what this is. So now I can get a little G.I. Joe man to put in. Yeah, that's what it is. Scale canopy. Cool, I like that. All right. Well, that does it for the unboxing of the 2.2 meter JMB Wind RC Viper. My first ever video I've done, so ask for grace. But like I said, I did not see any kind of unboxing video for this yet, which is why I wanted to do it. Thanks to Chris with XSRC and Fred with Wind RC. You guys have been great to deal with. Like I said, I placed the order June 30th. It was shipped July 10th or 12th. I got a text from Chris saying it was shipped, and picked it up today. So that's within, they said, 9 to 12 weeks. So that's pretty much right in line. So that's it, and thanks for watching.